Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever scrolled through Etsy or Amazon and wondered, how are all these people selling digital planners, templates, and beautiful printables? Today I'm going to show you exactly how that works using Canva. By the end of this video, you'll know how you can start making money online by creating your own digital products, even if you're a total beginner. So let's jump right in. First off, you might be amazed to know just how many digital products out there, planners, worksheets, ebooks, journals, are actually designed in Canva. It's really become the launchpad for so many successful sellers because you don't need advanced design skills to get started. Think of Canva as your digital art studio, full of ready-made resources that help you look like a pro right away. So step one, let's talk about picking a product to create. The best way to start is by thinking about what kinds of digital products are actually in demand online. Platforms like Etsy and Amazon have made entire marketplaces around things like fitness planners, budget trackers, recipe books, and more. Spend a few minutes browsing these platforms to see what's selling well. This way, you're not just designing something beautiful, but something with real money-making potential. Now, once you've spotted a profitable niche, maybe it's healthy lifestyle planners, meal trackers, or mindfulness journals, it's time to head to Canva, here where the fun really begins. Canva's massive library of templates makes it so easy to hit the ground running. On the homepage, simply click on templates and then enter your chosen niche in the search bar. For this example, let's go with healthy lifestyle, since that's consistently popular and appeals to a wide audience. You'll see tons of template options pop up. Don't feel like you have to create something from scratch. These templates are a perfect foundation. Click on one that catches your eye. What's great about Canva is that everything is customizable. You're not locked into the colors, fonts, or images that come with the template. Think of it like moving the furniture around in a furnished apartment to make it your own. You can tweak the text to fit your style, swap out images, change up the color scheme, and add your own branding if you have one. Take your time here. Customization is what helps your product stand out from the competition. Maybe you want to add sections that reflect your personal touch, motivational quotes, extra pages, or specific trackers. Don't worry if you need a few tries to make it look just right. Even experienced creators go through a few drafts. Once you're happy with your design, download your digital product as a PDF for printables, or as an image or presentation depending on what suits your product best. Now you're ready to upload it to a marketplace like Etsy, Amazon KDP, or even sell directly on your own website. And that's how so many creators are turning Canva templates into a real source of income in 2025. So that's the process in a nutshell: choosing a profitable niche, creating a product with Canva's templates, customizing it, and then listing it online. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions about picking a niche or designing in Canva. I'm always here to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more beginner-friendly tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.